Hey guys, in this time I will show you how to fix um, the blower motor on my 2007 BMW 328i. So the first step is gonna take out the screws. If you see here the hole, I already take this part, you know. So I'm trying give you as much information I can, and let's follow me, the next steps. The next steps is take the glove box, which is this, which is this whole um, housing. So we're gonna take this screw right here, this one in here, this one in here, and one more in here. It has four. Okay, so plus those, they have one more in here which is already loose. I don't know if you can see that. You see it? So the next one is this one in here. All right, before guys we remove the glove box, we're gonna take the cup holder housing in here. Okay, I will show you how to take it out. So I'm gonna try to use my plastic um, removal. You gotta be very gentle because you don't want to break it. See? And then you're gonna remove this screw and this one, and this one, and then you're gonna wiggle it. Okay, you're gonna take your Phillips screwdriver. I don't have drill. I mean, I have a drill, but I prefer to do it, by hand. It's very hard to use only one hand and the other hand holding the phone. Once I already take the screws out, I'm gonna remove this. Okay, it came very easy. See the other one? Okay, it came very easily. We put them away, and then we're gonna continue to take the screws out from the glove box. As you can see, you have many wires that we gotta replace it. I mean, not replace it. We gotta take them out to lose the glove box. Once you remove all the old wiring from the glove box, you will see the actual blower motor. So we're gonna take this one apart, okay? So stay with me and I will show you what we gotta do. So this wire is blocking this clip in here. We're gonna bringing it down. See, you gotta wiggle this. This come apart. See, this is only plastic, you know, where the air is coming out. Okay, so stay with me and I will show you how to take this part out. So as you can see, guys, this is the blower motor. I'm gonna try to like remove it. Let me see how I can put the camera for you guys like see what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just try to like go like clockwise. Pretty hard. Damn. It's very hard. Wow, it's pretty hard. This shouldn't be like that hard. To lose the motor, you will see this click in here, so you gotta stop up, you see this one, because it's very hard, you know, you don't want to break this. All right, in order, like, you know, given lose it. Once the clip is, you know, pulled down, you're gonna be able to take this out. See, we got a problem with this. This thing is like, you know, it's very hard to like move it. So we're gonna put like a little bit of DWD-40, and we're gonna try that, you know, make it work again. Okay, stay with me, and we're gonna keep learning more. Okay, guys, I just got the blower motor right here. It's brand new. See, so the only thing this one didn't have is this part in here, which is the regulator blower. So I'm gonna transfer this regulator to here. Okay, so first we're gonna take this connector out. Okay, make it free. We're gonna take this screw. this part is still good. Otherwise, I gotta order a new one. It looks like something's going on in here. We'll see. We're gonna try. Gonna get the new motor. Gonna put it in place. Put it back to screws. Put the other one before we tighten the other one. It's tight enough. We gotta put this connector back in place. So we got the new motor. Well, this one, it looks like, you know, like a little bit more loose than the old one. The old one, look, it doesn't spin at all. All right, let's put it back in place and see if we got the AC back on. Okay, we're gonna put the motor back in. See if it's gonna work. There you go. Nothing is loose. Okay, gotta put the bend clip back, nice and tight. It's tight enough. Good. All the wiring is good. Nothing is blocking. Nothing is loose. Perfect. We gotta put the plug in. And we'll see. So as you can see, guys, the fan, the motor blower is back in place. So now we gotta see if, you know, our AC, it works. Okay guys, so everything is back, you know, together, back in. So let's see if our AC is working. Oh, look at that. Oh my God, it's working. Woo! Very good job, guys. Now you can do by yourself this work. It's not gonna take you like probably like an hour, 2 hours replacing it at maximum, but you know, you gotta save a lot of money. So very good, guys. Congratulations. Give it thumbs up and thank you for watching.